kids, how are you all? I hope you are fine. As we have talked in previous video about transport and traveling. Traveling means going from one place to another place. We cannot go everywhere on foot. So, we take some conveyance to go from one place to another place. Some people use bicycle, car, scooter, bus or train to travel. Some people travel by a boat, ship and aeroplane. All these are called means of transport. So, without means of transport, our life will be very difficult. Let's come and know about the means of transport. There are mainly three means of transport. They are land transport, air transport and water transport. Now let's understand each one of transport in detail. First one is land transport. Land transport consists vehicles that move or run on the road, such as carts are pulled by camel and bull. Tongas are pulled by horses. Tongas and carts are mainly used in villages. Bicycles and rickshaw are driven by a man. Vehicles such as motorcycles, scooters, auto rickshaw, jeep, car and buses and train use petrol or diesel as fuel. The vehicles move on the wheel. They can move everywhere on the land. It is the most common way in the world. Most of us use this way every day. Trains and buses are used for long distance. In some big cities, local buses run on CNG. CNG means compressed natural gas. Bicycle is a good way to travel a short distance. It does not have engine. Next is car. Car is the one of the most means popular transportation. It is driven by an engine. Bus. In a bus, many people can travel at the same time. Next is truck. A truck carries heavy loads from one place to another. Now let's come on the second means of transport. That is air transport. Air transport consists of vehicles which fly in the air. From the air transport, people can go in other countries in few hours. Air transport is popular because it saves time, such as aeroplane. It flies very high. It is the fastest means of transport. It carries passengers. The person who flies aeroplane is called a pilot. Aeroplane takes off and lands on airports. Next is helicopter. It flies but not as aeroplane and it carries passenger and goods. Now the next one is rocket. It is generally used for scientific experiments and to travel in the space. Air balloon. It is generally used for fun and adventures. Now the last one means of transport is water transport. Some means of transport are seen on waters. This means of transport is used since ancient times. Sea transport is the lowest means of transport. However, they can transfer huge quantities of goods. For examples, boats. Boats are generally used by fishermen for fishing. Sailboats. Sailboat uses wind to move. It is used to travel short distance over rivers and lakes. Next water transport is ship. It travels across oceans and seas. It carries passengers and goods from one country to another country. Next is speedboat. It is a small boat. It travels very fast. It can also be used for fun and adventures. Submarine. It travels under the sea. Ferries. Ferries can be used to transport people as well as vehicles over the short distance. Here is the question. How would you choose to go from your house to the places written below? Write in the boxes. यहाँ पे आपको ये राइट करना है कि अगर आपको अपने हाउस से मार्केट जाना है, अपने फ्रेंड्स के हाउस जाना है, नानी के हाउस जाना है या क्रॉस द सी जाना है, क्रॉस द रिवर, रिलेटिव्स who live in a hilly areas, या फिर स्कूल जाना है, तो आप किन व्हीकल्स का यूज करोगे? That's it for today kids. We will meet again in next video.